Alright guys, as you can see here on our high pressure oil, we were getting a 131, and on our injector pressure regulator we were getting an 85% closed. This one needs to be about 500 to even fire the injectors, and while you're cranking, 85% closed is not a good sign. It's showing that it's got a severe blockage. So let's go around to the front and I'll show you what the problem is. It turns out to be this guy here, which is the injector pressure regulator valve. And what happens is this little screen on the end gets plugged up with copper or dirt or anything else that may be floating around in the high pressure oil. And you can crank all day long, and as long as this guy's plugged up, it'll never fire the injectors. It is actually located in the back of the motor just underneath the turbo on the driver's side by the head.